Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into how to elevate your fall decor without breaking the bank. I'll be sharing some budget-friendly DIYs and makeovers, hoping to inspire you to make your home not only stylish, but uniquely yours. One of my favorite places to look for decor for the changing seasons is Goodwill. So a couple of weeks ago, I went with a very good friend of mine. Look at what she put in here. She's out of her mind. I had never been to this particular Goodwill, but I was really blown away by all of the amazing items that they had to offer. This is one thing in particular that really caught my eye. It was $14.99, which was a little pricey for Goodwill, but green tag items were 50% off, and I really love that marble at the end of this thing because I really didn't know what it was, so I brought it home. I had an idea for it. I had a tray that I bought last year, and I thought this would be the perfect size for this project. My plan for this is to make it into a small side table, which I really needed right by the side of my couch. I turned the tray upside down and placed the base on top, measured all the way around to make sure that everything was completely centered, traced all around the metal piece, and then just used E6000 to put it all together. I didn't want to use screws and possibly ruin the tray. That marble base was very heavy. You can see me struggling a bit, but I didn't need anything to clamp it down. I just left it there for 24 hours. Small side tables like this with marble bases can be ridiculously expensive, like this one that I found from McGee & Co. that was almost $600 on sale. I got a very similar look for under $40 because I did add the price of the tray since I did purchase it last year. I think adding that black tabletop is perfect for bringing in more depth and that moody sophistication that's perfect for fall. One of the things that I adore about thrift shopping is that it helps me create a more curated and unique look for my home. No tea, no shade, but with so many homes starting to look the same lately, adding those one-of-a-kind finds can really go a long way in making your home stand out and reflect your personal style. My next find was this metal centerpiece that was only $1.99 and holds 6 votive candles. This style may not be for everyone, but I loved it. I'm a huge fan of black metal, not the music, the decor. So I had my husband spray paint this black for me. I also found this beautiful, what I thought was material, but turned out to be curtains, and have many of the colors that I want to use for my fall decorating this year. I've been looking for the perfect table runner for the holidays, and I just couldn't find one that I liked, so at $4.99, I figured I'd bring it home and give it a go. Now, while I'm still on the fence about using these curtains as a table runner, I'm not loving it. I do, on the other hand, love this centerpiece. I paired it with these fluted glass candle holders from Dollar Tree. So this centerpiece cost me under $10 to make. I feel like the sleekness of the metal against that delicate glass adds texture and visual interest, which makes it both elegant and unique. Candlelight has a special kind of magic, especially around fall and Christmas. There's something about it that's just so calming, and I feel like it's such an essential part of the holiday atmosphere. Recently, an art piece from Hobby Lobby went viral, and I totally understand why. It really captures that moody fall aesthetic. I purchased this frame last year from Goodwill. I loved the color and the braided detail. Recently ordered an oversized mat from Etsy. Also ordered a print that I downloaded on my computer and printed out at home. I chose one that had those moody fall tones. Now that Hobby Lobby print was sold out, but by shopping secondhand, finding inexpensive prints online, and printing them out myself at home, I was able to somewhat recreate the look for under $6. I picked this up the same day for $4.99 with half off. No idea what it originally was, but simply turned it upside down and now it's a candle holder. I love that it brings in that beautiful brown color that I really crave for fall. But most of all, I love that it's a one-of-a-kind piece. This side table was given to me by a coworker that was actually going to throw it out. This side table has such a distinctive style, so of course I took it and immediately put it in my entryway. My coworker didn't know a lot about its origin, and neither do I. But it has these beautiful teardrop pull handles that are made of iron. These handles were secured to the actual drawers without screws. I found out that these pins that they use are actually called nail pins or tack pins, and that this method of attachment is common in older furniture designs, which leads me to believe that this is definitely an antique. So I didn't soak the handles in any solution or anything like that because I didn't want to ruin them. I actually love how rustic they are and all of this patina. I did, however, want this piece to be like raw wood, and I'm not a fan of using bleach or oven cleaner. I don't think wetting wood is a good idea, especially an antique piece like this. It could possibly ruin it. So I went in with my orbital sander. This took quite some time. Thank goodness for carpal tunnel surgery. In all those difficult areas, I used a sanding sponge and some sandpaper. I really don't have any of the tools required for detail work. After sanding, I used some clear finishing wax to protect the wood. This adds such a special touch to my home. I think that raw wood has this quality that when it's paired with modern design, some of the elements I have in my home, creates a rich, layered look, which not only enhances the visual appeal, but also invites a sense of comfort and authenticity. While this is not a DIY, I still wanted to share it with you. This isn't the first and won't be the last time that I say you can get great books to decorate with at your local library. I work at a library, so I might be partial, but most libraries have books that are either donated or are older versions that you could buy for a much more affordable price than the big box stores. Buying books from your library or even a thrift store can give your home a very personal touch. These are some of my favorite finds this year. I am truly aging myself right here, but who doesn't remember Days of Our Lives? Look at this fantastic book I found for $1.50, and the cover is beautiful. It's like that maroon color that I'll be using this year to decorate. This brought back so many memories. If I had only one tip to give you about books, it's to find books that are not only beautiful for decorating your home, but books that have interesting topics to make them great conversation starters, especially if you'll be putting them on your coffee table. There's so much potential to make your home truly special. I hope this video inspired you to think about thrifting when looking for items to decorate your home for any season. You can find so many beautiful pieces that can help you create a space that is uniquely yours. Still here. Surprise. I'm actually at work. People talking. I'm having a giveaway. I told you about it in my last video, and this is going to be the first of 3 giveaways. I haven't had a giveaway in years, and I thought it was high time. I'm very grateful for your support and for your patience with me, because it takes me a long time to upload because of this work. The rules are simple. You have to be subscribed to my channel and you have to leave me a comment down below. I'm giving away the Walmart vase that you saw in the video. I bought an extra one for the giveaway and I'm so excited to give it away to one of you. The winner will be announced on my community tab. I'll upload a post in about a week, and that is where the winner will be announced. Thank you so much for allowing me to have a place where I can express myself and do what I love to do the most, make videos. Thank you so much. Good luck to you all. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time.